This video is going to look at some of the ways we can use Involve to manage our SEN information and coordinate between members of staff. We're going to start by heading to the tag pods, because we use tag pods to manage our SEN pod, which is the main place the list of students and their notes will reside. So we'll go into this, and the main page here is the list of students. And as with any tag pod on Involve, we can do things like add students and even add them at a future date. And we can also schedule the removal of students from this list at a future date as well. And again, as with all of our pods, one of the benefits of having all these students in one place is we can do things like see all their timetable information in one place and look at any kind of aggregated data across things like assignments they currently have or behaviour notes, and things like progress tracking and other details. Now, if we head into the attributes section on this pod, this is where we can keep our notes, particularly the ones we'll want to flag up to other members of staff, such as on their registers. So here are some notes about Abjit, which we're going to see elsewhere in a moment. And we can set that for all of our students. We can also do things like configure different sub-attributes we're going to display against this SEN tag. Now, before I leave this page, I'm just going to make sure in the settings that this particular tag is set to show on the registers, which it is. And so now if I go to a regular classroom register, here's my geography class, I can see that Abjit is one of my students and the SEN tag is highlighted here, and actually I can click on that, and as this classroom teacher I can see the notes that have been shared with me for this, and that's going to be the case for any classroom teacher, or in fact anyone using Involve to manage any sort of co-curricular activity as well. Finally, I'm just going to go to Abjit's profile, and a couple of other things to mention here. One is that we can always use the profile notes to flag up any particular concise bits of text we want to be visible to any other members of staff. But also on the SEN front, we can sync that data through from any MIS provider as well. And so actually if we go into the details section here, have a look at the SEN tab, we can see various flags and notes which have synced through and will stay up to date automatically from the MIS system. Finally, it's worth mentioning that because tag pods are a completely flexible concept in Involve, you can create other pods to manage this information in different ways. It's entirely up to you, but Involve always starts with that default SEN pod where all of those students will go.